What exactly happened on the streets of Minneapolis on the night of November 4th, 2020? The footage we're looking at today isn't a scene from a movie. It is official body camera footage released by the Minneapolis Police Department. This is part 5 of a 10-part series titled Shame Games. When officers and civilians collide, how does the situation escalate so quickly? We are going to dive straight into the raw, uncut footage to see exactly what unfolded. Let's get right into it.
What about you got a tow coming though, right?
Yeah, look, he's coming with the squad.
So we're still on.
I'm gonna tow for that truck.
Yep, he called one.
Okay, perfect.
But look, we don't have a printer or a handwritten one, so he's coming with the squad. So we'll have to do the push.
The general vibe that has changed over the past few years. I've been a resident of the city for 30+ years, and it's different than it was when I was originally here. It seems very adversarial towards us all the time.
There's also a really long Facebook that was organized on this one with a lot of books.
You know, I'll tell you, my house was broken into several years ago, and when that happened, the crime squad came out right away, covered everything, and felt really good, you know, but then just shit's just gotten to a certain point where it doesn't feel like anything really gets any attention, like, that's going wrong, yet then the entire freeway is shut down to arrest a bunch of people, and they could have just walked off.
I believe this event had as its mission statement, a big one was about saying, let's see, we counted.
And they'll get it back in a second.
Things that say that.
No, I'm fully cognizant that we're in cuffs right now because you guys said we just I'm not arguing with
it. He's in the back. If you go around that way, you'll.
This needs to be told right on the toll. Is this the one?
We got an independent case number for this one?
Yeah, we do have a different
email circle.
She's saying that her bike?
The lift bike?
What's that?
The lift bike?
Yeah. Is she trying to claim it? She was riding it?
That's what she said.
We'll go all the way around.
Tall load. It rolled back when he brought the. Oh, mine still rolling? Yeah. It's not looking.
Guys that did the warning police shoot. Oh, they had those T-shirts and a sign inside them. Do what you want. Everybody else knows.
Stop fucking now. I believe they call that a perfect fit.
Prison.
I gotta assume.
Like, what kind of prison bus? The DOC bus. Okay. What's your opinion?
Oh, I know. I already heard like 3 buses left, and they're still like shivering.
Oh, it's just dangle.
I think those few buses have like cells, so like you can't get them.
You're better off with
Then we're kind of. I think you really can't like control them.
yeah.
You know what I mean?
To get less. No, I have this little over. Alright, alright.
Okay, fine. Oh,
Needs to get through. Everybody else not working?
it's working. It's just operator there.
I'm gonna grab these guys.
Yeah, where's our ticket?
Yeah, it's come a tag and
Yeah, we'll move on to the next thing. Could still make it to Luce before they close. Get a pizza.
that's what Sarge is saying. They just got come a tag.
Ah, man, you're asking the wrong guy.
Come a tag and go in.
I don't know, it was the gentleman that had the impressive mustache.
Yeah, it's pretty impressive.
I didn't even notice he had footsteps.
Really? No, he was like,
Obviously, it's the guy I think would be impressive.
I forget who he looked like. I don't know, someone could definitely be something.
He was taller than you. That's
He
not
was a
real
tall
hard to
guy.
do right
He was a
now.
tall gentleman.
Quite sure.
No, you're right. He's the boss.
It's nice.
Alright, yeah, we're just gonna give you guys a ticket. Make sure you guys take care of it. You guys know it's gonna turn into a warrant, okay?
Okay.
Vehicle's going to the impound lot, 5100 or 51 Colfax.
Yep.
Yep.
Is that the one over by uptown?
Just
No, it's
north
by the
of
Walker. It's in that weird no
Yeah.
man's land. I know what it is.
That's where mine.
Go ahead. Go in my high pack kit. There's a fucking cheers. There is? There should be. Chad, you don't have a trauma shoes, do you?
No, I thought you did, but
Normally I do, yeah, I don't know what the fuck I did with them. It's true. You got that Leatherman on you?
Sure do.
Alright, why don't you stand on it?
Oh yeah. Yep.
Can you?
Yeah, I got
Alright.
the front pouch.
Yep.
The one that says Leatherman.
We're just gonna cut these off.
Yep.
Is there? What do you think's gonna work better? I want this to be.
That's the pliers. There's also a serrated knife if you feel.
Well, I want to be the least painful on your wrist.
You could try doing the.
I'll try the pliers if this for some reason this hurts or doesn't feel right. Just You all right?
Yeah, feel free to twist.
All right. Well, I don't.
Tighten, but that's fine.
I prefer not to.
You don't have any like
What's
funny
that?
tools on you, do
Good. Oh, I'm sorry. Did I get you?
Let's see how she
I apologize.
They do, and then we'll do me.
Sure, let me be the test buddy. It is my
There.
tool, I guess.
Oh, I'm still got a little bit way to go. I don't want to cut you. All right. Did you find a pair? Okay.
Nope.
See you guys. Sorry, I can't hold my arm away from my back very well.
Oh, that's all right. I'm gonna twist just a little.
Go ahead. Work with this part.
Again, same deal. If this hurts or something or doesn't feel right, just say so, and I'm gonna quit. All right.
Captured directly by the Minneapolis Police Department's body cameras. We've seen how the situation developed and how the officers on the scene chose to react. The footage leaves us with critical questions regarding how this encounter could have been handled differently. I'd like to hear your perspective in the comments section below. Does this change your view on the event? If you want to see more real-world footage and analysis, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any future uploads. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.